Do you need a Viking in your life? I know I have my guy, Matt Schermerhorn here at Pro Approach, but I saw this 900 Global Viking. I'm excited about it because it's gonna be angular, it's a hybrid, it's not solid, it's not pearl. You're gonna wanna watch this video. Hi everyone, John Struckman here from Pro Approach Bowling. Today we have the 900 Global Viking. A great transition ball from what I'm seeing from Global. It's the 90 coverstock blend, 2.51 RG, 0.52 differential. Basically what that means, it's gonna have length, angle, be able to clear the front, retain energy, and hit those pins real hard like a Viking. There's gonna be a lot of awesome content coming from Pro Approach Bowling. Make sure to subscribe to our channel right now. Click that subscribe button, get the notifications, and we'd really appreciate it. So this ball, is, like I said, is gonna be a great transition ball. I've already bowled a few games in league with this, and it's not quite like the Origin from 900 Global, which would be a comparable ball, and it's definitely not a phase 2. So it's in that transition period when you want a really high-end bowling ball for heavy oil, but you don't necessarily need a symmetric ball just yet. So getting down to this 900 Global Viking, being an asymmetric ball, it kind of fills that gap, which is something I've been looking for in my bag. I drove this one 60 by 5 by 40, which translates to 5 by 4 3/4 by 2.5. So creating still a pretty strong back angle motion, but getting that pin distance longer from my positive axis point. If you guys need help with a positive axis point, all you have to do is come down to Pro Approach Bowling Stores. We have 4 locations, or send us a message on our contact form if you need any help. So let's get into the video and let's go strike with the 900 Global Viking.
Boom.
Boom.
Apparently that one wasn't good enough for John. He needs to do another one. That was even worse.
All right, what's going on everybody? John Struckman here at Pro Approach Bowling, and today I have the new 900 Global Viking. I drove this with a longer pin to pap, so you guys will see my pin here is a little bit further away. It's not directly over that ring finger. It's further away. It's gonna get me more length. And this ball already is gonna have a lot more length, so I'm gonna use this ball on what we call the burn, meaning that the oil is dried up, it's left over from league yesterday, that type of thing, and that's exactly what I'm bowling on today. So 900 Global Viking is gonna be a great transition ball for when the lanes are a little drier. You're gonna get that angular and length motion that you're looking for from a great transition piece like this. So we're gonna take a look at this ball, throw some shots, and have some fun. First shot off my hand, there's a 10 pin. I'm gonna move a little bit to my left, try to get a little more angle on the ball, have it skid a little more through the front, have it continue through the pins. Also wanted to mention the copper color. I actually really like it. It's a really cool looking ball. And shout out to my buddy Matt in the pro shop here at Oak Tree. We always call him the Viking, and this is a pretty cool ball. So I missed in a little bit there. Let's try that again. Okay, Still searching for the perfect shot there, but overall I'm really liking that even ball shape and the angularity that I get down lane. It's the 90 blend cover stock technology from 900 Global, RG of 2.51, differential of 0.52. So it's gonna make it a really stable, but still angular ball motion down lane. All right, 10 straight back there with the 900 Global Viking. Lots of angle and nice shape. Let's do it again. All right, touch slow there, but still nice angle and nice shape. So, hybrid reactive, you guys know what hybrid means. Basically, it's a part solid and part pearl. They blend that together, hence the word hybrid. Well, I missed in. What's my move? Should I move left? Should I throw it better? I think I'm gonna throw it better. Best coaching tip here, guys, don't suck, okay? Just don't suck. Don't throw it like that. That's okay. Ooh, split the 8-9 there. Really liking that motion. Basically, you know, you guys remember the Origin, and then we had the Origin EX. You guys can see that video here as well. The Origin was really clean and angular as well, but this is getting me even more length. So when I'm bowling on burn up house shots, leftover tournament conditions, I'm getting into a few later games in the block. 900 Global Viking is gonna be in my bag for that. So I think you guys should probably consider getting one at proapproachbowling.com. Now let's get a couple more shots in. Well, that hooked a lot. Can I pick it up? Yes. So close. Nice, clean and angular. I can't get enough of that ball because it's getting me the length that I'm looking for. I'm playing really far left. I'm standing on the last dot, and I just need the ball to get down the lane on the condition I'm bowling on right now. So, liking it. So getting back to hybrid. So again, part pearl, part solid. If this ball was a true solid, it would hook too early, I think, with the whole cover stock and just everything that's going on with this new core as well from 900 Global. It's gonna hook too much with the solid for me on what I'm bowling on now. And then with the pearl, again, for what I'm bowling on now, it'd probably be too long. So I'm really liking that it's a hybrid. It's part pearl, part solid, hybrid cover stock technology, angular motion, length, really good transition ball. All right, so I am standing again on the very last dot. I'm looking right about the center arrow, trying to get it to basically float through the front, meaning that I need it to skid a little longer and have a nice angle down lane. But you can't miss in, so try again. All right, so while I'm up here visualizing my shot, I'm trying to send the ball out towards the rangefinder, which is also called the break point, which is also where the end of the oil is. So that's my goal here. So I got the ball to the rangefinder, maybe a little soft off my hand, meaning I didn't quite get around as much hook as I was looking for, but still a good reaction, so. And I hit the break point, very good. That's the type of shot I'm looking for. This ball is gonna be, in my opinion, above like that phase 2 or even the new phase 2 pearl that's coming out. That's gonna be a really cool video. You're gonna wanna watch that when we produce it. And man, the Viking's gonna be right in that middle of a high end ball, and it's not quite a mid ball. It's gonna fit right in that gap. What does that mean? Basically, you're looking for a ball to transition from a heavier oil lane condition, something like, remember those gem balls from Rotogrip? They'd hook a whole bunch, right? Especially in the front part of the lane. But we don't need to go down to like a phase 2 or an IQ Tour series ball, which is a mid to low end ball. We need something to fit that gap, the transition period, so you can bowl with this a game or two or even a few games at a tournament or a league or a tournament. Did I say tournament again? It's gonna be a great tournament ball, so 900 Global Vikings looking real good. 9-pin. All right, guys, so that's the 900 Global Viking. Really versatile ball, hybrid cover like we emphasized in the video here today.
One more shot.
And we're gonna throw one more shot. Okay, one more.
2 more, because you gotta try to pick it up.
I guess I gotta try to pick it up. You guys think I can pick it up? How many 710s have you guys left? I have no idea. I haven't left too many, but I don't know, enough. I've picked it up 4 times actually, and I've picked up the big 4 as well, so I got a chance. Let's see. Okay, strategy here, boys and girls, is we're gonna hit the 10-pin pretty freaking hard, have it bounce over the ball and over to the 7-pin. And we're gonna do it with the 900 Global Viking. Normally I'd use my spare ball though, but we're just gonna give it a go here. Here we go. I shot it over there. Jeff really wanted me to pick that up, so I gave it a go. Okay, we're gonna end on a strike, and then we'll see you guys all back in the bowling store. Oh, that's pretty good. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. 900 Global Viking. All right, everyone, we're back from the lanes up here at Oak Tree. I just got finished with the 900 Global Viking. Some really cool shots there. Man, this ball is great for transition. It hooks a lot, it retains energy. Again, a great transition ball. So if you're looking for a unique piece in your bag to blend out those conditions, you're gonna wanna get the 900 Global Viking at proapproachbowling.com and or come into our pro shops, Cal Bowl, Del Rio Lanes, Bullion Lanes, or Oak Tree Lanes, stores near you right here in Southern California. Get yourself a Global Viking today. We'll see you all in the next video. Also, another project, bowlinglessons.com is coming very soon, the start of the year. Early interest list is available right now. All you have to do is go to that website, and that link is right here, bowlinglessons.com. You want to learn more about bowling, get better, roll the ball better, and just everything bowling, bowlinglessons.com. Sign up for that early interest list. You're not going to want to miss it.